I love using action cameras for capturing adventure in extreme sports. There's something exhilarating about riding down a steep trail early in the morning. The adrenaline rush is like no other as you soar through the air during a jump. Action cameras help me relive those incredible moments in vivid detail. When I travel, they allow me to capture beautiful memories effortlessly. Walking along a beach, I record my laughter and the waves crashing around me. Every underwater swim with fish becomes a cherished moment. In my daily vlogs, I want to share my life in the most authentic way. Riding through the busy city streets, my action camera captures it all. I feel a sense of safety knowing my rides are being recorded. The clarity and detail of action cameras are simply unmatched. Underwater, every coral and fish is captured beautifully in 4K. They are essential for analyzing my sports performance, keeping track of my progress. Whether I'm running through a forest or setting up my camera for a vlog, it's all about the experience. Each moment is priceless, and I want to capture it all with the best tools available.